It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Casemate protective case that has up to 10-foot drop protection. This is in a Twinkle Ombre, and you can see it's got that gold detail that kind of fades off at the top, giving it an ever so slight girly, classy look. Now, Casemate has wonderful features for that added protection that you can really see. One of them I want to point out is on each corner, you can see it's a little lifted. So if this case were to fall face down, these bumpers that are lifted on each corner are really going to provide that extra protection. You do have openings for your charging and speaker. Your buttons are covered in a nice silver detail, and then that mute button is accessible. Let me go ahead and show you the case on. So you can see how that looks against my silver white iPhone. It's gorgeous, you guys. I love this case. It has just the right amount of classiness, but I also love the fact that it's clear, so you still get to see the beauty of the iPhone on itself. So there you can see, even the stainless steel detail comes through. It's just gorgeous, adding that extra protection all the way around. So if you guys are thinking about this case, I'd say think no more. You're gonna love it. That's my point of view.